exhausted by life. Once upon a time, there was a father who abandoned his 5 children and had his 3 daughters sent away to an orphanage. At 12 years old, Gabrielle would never see him again. Forever after, she pretended that he had left to make his way in America. Once upon a time, she chose to go on. Once upon a time, there was a great man named Mikael, English, and cultivated. He was the man of her dreams. He introduced her to literature, warriors, and the esoteric. All hail Coco comes now. For the first time, a couturier revolutionizes the ensuing world of perfume by creating in 1921 her own fragrance, the first of its kind. Coco Chanel seeks, in her own words, a woman's perfume with a woman's scent. Her scent should be as important as her style of dress. A woman, she says, should wear perfume wherever she would like to be kissed. For the first time, perfume which glorifies even flower fragrances. Coco Chanel calls upon Hermès pour perfumer Berssace. Once upon a time, a woman became a legend. André Malraux Leclerc. Of this century in France, 3 names will remain.